So this is the smart bird feeder. This bird feeder automatically senses and notifies for when birds land or in the area. It identifies over 10,000 bird species, captures clear details with the wide view angle, extended usage with the high efficiency solar charging, a large water and food for birds, weather resistant, has your mounting hardware included, takes a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes, scares squirrels away with an audible alarm. There is your solar panel. There is your camera. The magnet on the back, which will hold the camera in place. Charging the bird feeder, besides having the solar power option, does come with the USB-C plug. This USB-C goes into the power, and then you have the magnet connection for the USB-C port. And
please configure your Wi-Fi settings.
This will power up the camera. With the included app, you'll then be able to use the camera to see what birds are feeding on the camera. We don't have any birds out right now, as we've been breaking over 100 degrees a day. Once you've connected to the network and once you have everything installed, you'll be able to use your app to show the camera from the bird feeder